Bobby pins are an imperative beauty accessory. So before you decide to toss them out, let me tell you there's so much you can do with them. Hi, I'm Niyati and today I'm going to show you some bobby pin art that has been trending all over the internet and we had to try it. So let's get pinning like a pro. Before we start with bobby pin hair art, always remember to spray it with some hairspray so that it doesn't slip out. Insert the bobby pins with the bumpy side touching your scalp and the flat side up because this is going to give you better grip. Choose bobby pins that are in contrasting color to your hair. Organized chaos. For the first bobby pin style, part your hair and pull hair back around the ear and flatten that side of the hair. Take different colored bobby pins and put it in your hair in an unorganized way. It doesn't have to look perfect, so just go crazy. Another interesting exposed bobby pin design to try is Chevron Pattern. Slide one bobby pin at a slant with the open end facing upwards. And then slide a second bobby pin next to the first and downward to create an arrow shape. Repeat this as many times as you like. Create a hashtag design in your hair with 4 long bobby pins. Pull a section of hair back behind the ear and insert 2 bobby pins next to each other upwards. Then slide 2 more bobby pins through the middle of the pins that are already in the hair. I hope you like this video. Do give these ideas a try. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful right here. Until next time, bye!